Hello and welcome to Spareka. In this video, we will show you which parts to check if your oven is not heating. You will need a screwdriver to perform these checks. First, turn on the oven light to check that the problem does not come from the power supply. Then, set your oven on fan assist cooking and let it heat up for a few minutes. Place your hand in the oven to check that it's properly heating up. Repeat this operation using the baking function, the broiler function, and convection cooking. If the heating elements are in good condition, check that the oven fan is tightly fitted. Unscrew the black plate of the oven. And check that it is correctly fitted. Reposition the plate. If your fan is properly fitted, check the electric power supply. Visit our YouTube channel and check out our oven repair tutorials. Subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on any new videos. With Spareka, repairing is easy.